This is another video.
Episode 12. You know what? You know what's up with this car? I'm not keeping it.
I'll take it.
I am not gonna keep this car. My bicycle is over there.
I'm dumb
There's some
hungry.
random strangers. I hate them.
I'm dumb hungry.
I thought you just ate.
No, I didn't finish, but I didn't eat.
Yes, you did.
But you ate more than me.
Yeah, but no, I didn't. I only ate 2 waffles.
Only get 3 seats. Taking the red one.
Shut your mouth up and you're gonna get. I'm gonna quit you from YouTube for. Hey, you're not recording the full screen. Oh shit! You took my car. You motherfucker.
Didn't know that was your car.
Trying to steal my car?
The cops were there.
Motherfucking bitch.
Take that one to your garage.
No, not really.
Cops can't go in your garage.
No, they can't, buddy. In GTA, they can't go in your house.
Ooh, scratches.
Get the hell out of my car. Go! Go! I can find you another Lamborghini. Well, come on, bicycle!
That's what you want to
I
get?
wasted all my money when I was playing Kick the Buddy.
All?
Yes?
You got $0?
No. 4,000.
Oh, you got more than me.
How much minutes?
2.
That's 5. Get out.
And that's our last video?
No. Your last video. My last video. Not yours. You're not. The video is not even yours at all.
I said yours.
You said ours. Final freaking way.
Just leave with no car.
For today, everyone, I'm just gonna go without a car. Hey, stop. How much minutes?
3.
Stop. What you just said?
Oh. Take that money.
Oh my. I can't believe I recorded that. I'm not a witness. I just punched some cops. You punched them. That means you killed them, you mother... What did you just call me? Full screen. Let me see if it's HD. At least you're watching.
1 more minute. And then got my cereal in my stomach.
Boom.
Who wants millions and millions and millions of dollars?
Maya, you talk weird. Sheep.
I want you.
Let's do it for the fans.
Nice. 5 more seconds. Guys, here are the last words. Peace.